Hello traders, this is Parker again. This is our PriceAction Forex Limited free channel. As you can see, this free signal of GBPNZD was sent at 13th September. We gained 90 plus pips through this entry. Let's dig into it. You can see in the daily time frame, price created equal lows here and started going higher. Thus we understood that price was gonna go up and at least fill these imbalances or mitigate this order block. This liquidity pool was engineered for further manipulation in future. In the lower time frames, price was creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. After that, we started to notice that price couldn't create new lower lows. Instead, it started creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, the price broke the previous structure here. And after breaking the previous structure, it came to the recent order block and tested and created an internal structure right here. After creating the internal structure, it took out the previous low and pushed higher. This gave us our confidence that it was gonna go up. After creating internal liquidities here, price came to the last institutional zone in the lower time frame and mitigated here, and then after this bullish movement we pulled the trigger. When we saw that price was rejecting here, we took our some partials for about 63 pips. So as you can see right here, this is the proof that we took a huge partial from here, and we anticipated that price was gonna come here and reject many times because we had a news. So we closed about we closed this full trade in 90 pips, and as you can see, just after the news came, it dropped hilariously, right? So we felt very good that we predicted it right. If you want more free signals and breakdowns, you are always welcome to join our free channel. Link is in the description below. Thank you so much.